In this video, I am going to be unboxing the brand new Cricut Explore 3, and I'm going to be walking you through how to get your machine set up. If you're new here, I'm Kim from Sweet Red Poppy. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel for tons of Cricut videos. A big thanks to Joanne for sponsoring this video and sending me this brand new machine so that I could test it out. Are you ready to get started? Let's go ahead and open up our box. When you open up your box, the first thing that you will see is this envelope. Inside of the envelope, you will find your machine warranty, a Let's Get Started page, and your very first piece of smart material for your first cut. Go ahead and set your envelope aside and we'll come back to it later. Next, you'll find a sheet of smart vinyl, smart iron-on, smart paper, sticker, cardstock, and transfer tape. I love that Cricut includes their brand new smart materials inside of the box so that you can get cutting right away. Underneath that is your machine. Let's go ahead and pull it out of the box. Remove your cardboard inserts on either side. As well as the plastic. You can see that the Cricut Explore 3 comes pre-installed with the fine point blade, and I'm just going to remove this styrofoam piece from my machine. Located underneath the Explore 3 is your USB cable and power adapter. Pull both of these out and set your box aside. On the right-hand side of your machine, you're going to see 4 different buttons. We have the power button, our load and unload button, our start button, and a pause button. Inside of the machine is the Smart Tool System. Now, this is what enables your machine to precisely cut, draw, and score, and you can use this with over 100 different materials. Now, our fine point blade is already installed in clamp B. To switch it out with another tool, simply pull on this clasp, and then you can remove the tool and insert a new one and secure it. We also have clamp A. Now, clamp A is designed to hold pens, markers, or a scoring stylus. Over here on the left, we have this silicone storage cup. Each section is lined with a silicone layer, which makes it perfect for storing your tools or even your blades inside of here. At the very bottom of the Explorer, we have an additional storage compartment. I love this little storage compartment because I can put all of my materials in here, I can store blades in here, and backup blades as well. The power plug-in is located on the back of our machine. Let's go ahead and plug in our machine and get started. You're going to start by pushing the round end of your power cord into your machine and the other end into the power outlet. Click the power button to power on your machine. Now it's time to set up your Explore 3. To begin, you're going to want to go to cricut.com/setup. This is going to bring you to the correct place to download Design Space on your device. Go ahead and click on Download. If you haven't already, create a Cricut ID. This will allow you to create your own projects and access them from anywhere. Once you have your login, go ahead and log into Design Space. All Cricut machines come with a 1-month free trial of Cricut Access for new users, so be sure that you take advantage of that. Cricut Access is a monthly or yearly membership that gives you access to hundreds of thousands of images, fonts, and projects. While you don't have to be a Cricut Access member to use your machine, I've personally found that it's worth the money, especially if you're crafting regularly. In addition to your trial, your Explorer comes with 100 ready-to-make projects. Let's go ahead and connect your machine to your computer using a Bluetooth or a USB cord. If you're using a Mac like me, you will need some sort of a USB converter. Click on New Product Setup, Smart Cutting Machine, then select which machine you are wanting to set up. I'm going to be selecting Explore 3. Go ahead and follow the prompts within Design Space, making sure that your Explorer is plugged in and connected to your computer. Now, if at any point you get stuck or you need a little bit of help, you can always contact Cricut's customer care for a little bit of extra assistance. If you're wanting to sign up for the free trial of Cricut Access, click Start My Trial. Now it's time to get started on our very first cut. Select the image that you would like to cut. Now I'm going to insert my smart material into my machine, making sure that it goes underneath these white guides. Now press your load button and load your material in. Now the Explore 3 is going to straighten out your material. It's also going to measure it to ensure that you have enough to complete this cut. Confirm that your fine point blade is also in your machine before cutting. You can now press the blinking start button to begin cutting. Once it has finished cutting, let's go ahead and press our unload button. Now I'm going to remove the excess vinyl, and you can peel away your sticker from your backing. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit more about how to set up the brand new Cricut Explore 3. If you happen to have any questions about setting up your Explore 3, be sure to leave them in the comments for me below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know. I'll be back next week with another Cricut video.